Hi, Patricia here for Purely Gates Embroidery. Purely Gates is your one-stop for Mylar embroidery. Mylar embroidery is machine embroidery that sparkles without using any metallic thread. In fact, you're going to use the thread you already own along with our designs of Mylar to achieve a sparkling design. Today I'm talking about Mylar Teacups. This collection has 53 designs, 23 for the 5x7 hoop and 30 for the 4x4 hoop. This collection enables many different ways to use the designs and create your own projects and design combinations. Now let's take a look at the samples and the designs included in this collection. This sample shows all 12 stacked teacup designs that fit in a 5x7 hoop. Filled with flowers, these sweet designs include, as the first and second color change, a background vertical stitch and a stacked plate or saucer design. In this sample, I added batting to my stabilized hoop fabric so that the vertical stitch pre-quilts my block. I recommend matching your thread for this color change to your background fabric so that it won't show through your finished design. If you want just the stacked teacups in these designs without the background stitching or saucers, you can just skip color changes 1 and 2. Notice we've even included a design for fall and one for a winter holiday. This wall hanging shows all 28 4x4 single teacups included in this collection. Whether sitting on a shelf or dangling on hooks, these teacups sparkle with the beauty of Mylar, and with so many choices, you're sure to find one that is your cup of tea. This fun red and black sample shows 9 more designs for the 5x7 hoop. Not just for tea, these designs are great for coffee too. These single cups in bold colors on saucers with steam are included, as you can see them here. You can almost smell the coffee. Mylar teacup designs are great for so many applications like tea towels, coffee cup mug rugs, teapot cozies, placemats, table runners, a tote, or as a seasonal kitchen towel. This collection also includes a single plate in 2 sizes and steam in 2 sizes, so that you can combine them with any of the 4x4 single cups to make your own design combinations. Get your copy of Mylar Teacups by visiting your favorite local shop and request a copy, or purchase a digital download or CD today at our website, where you'll see all of these designs and project samples. Also, check to see if we'll be exhibiting at a show near you where you can see all of our samples in person. As we like to say, skip the dread of metallic thread with Mylar embroidery. Thanks for watching.